What's good, everyone? This is a boy, the one and only Mr. Kunyeke. Mr. What? Mr. That's name. And today I'm not alone. I'm here with
Siamo.
We're operating young Kwaba tester. Zokubizela umjita azogriza after lapho uyamrate. If it's your type, you can take him. If it's not your type, you can take me. Eqonda la way. Yeah, shikila fun. Aish.
Okay.
Share the mic ne.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Alright. Welcome.
Siamo.
Sim.
Ngiyabonga.
Ngihlala kuphi?
Yo. Hlala esitulweni.
Hawu kanjani man?
Ngihlala kithi.
Va.
Ungangibuzi ngihlala kithi.
Ngithanda amehlo wakho yazi.
Hayi.
Like ngichaza. Ngazi umgama thenza wakho.
Guys who cap when we see too many niggas, we crack.
Why? Will win a reason.
Ngoba ngifuni.
Akumuhle.
Ngiyabonga. Kunyeke.
Antwana Thembe Sonto tukriza ngimtshela you're too damn amazing.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like, I'm not on no games. Well, baby, I've been peeping and you ain't been the same. Like, who been on your mind? Who got your time?
Antwana ish. Yabo ngikhuluma into mara uyasmile. My out of 10 le game beka yenza la ku rate ngakhe 2.
Whoa.
Wena thintana
Ngani fam?
ngale number kaya yona.
My name ka 7.
Mina
Of course, 10 out of 10.